Good morning, second graders. Let's do some subtracting. Our first problem is 31 minus 18. We're going to use the simple chip model that we've been using this entire time to add. First, draw a place value chart on your personal whiteboard like mine. Make sure you label your ones place and your tens place. Let's rewrite our problem in vertical form. Let's look closely at our problem. Which one of these values is the whole? 31 is our whole number. Which one of these values is our part? 18 is the part that we know. Let's work on finding our unknown part. Let's write 31 into our chip model using dots or chips. How many tens and ones are in 31? There are 3 tens and 1 1 in 31. Let's look even more closely at our whole value. Draw a magnifying glass around our whole 31. Are we ready to subtract yet? Let's make sure we have enough units in each place value before we subtract. Can I subtract 8 ones from 1 1? I cannot subtract 8 ones from 1 1. What should I do? I can decompose a 10 into my ones place. Do that now on your personal whiteboard. Now that we've decomposed, let's take a look at our place value places. How many tens and ones do we have now? There are 2 tens and 11 ones. Let's record that in our vertical form. We decomposed 1 10, and now we're left with 2 tens in our tens place. We've added 10 ones to our ones place, and now we have 11 ones. Looking at our vertical form, we now see that we have 2 tens and 11 ones. Do you see 2 tens and 11 ones in our chip model? That's right. There are 2 tens and 11 ones in our chip model as well. Can we subtract? We are ready to subtract. 11 ones minus 8 ones equals 3 ones. Let's record that into the ones place. 2 tens minus 1 10 equals 1 10. Let's record that in our tens place. What's our answer? Our answer is 13. Let's say our complete number sentence together, starting with the whole value. 31 minus 18 equals 13. Let's do another problem. Take a look at my new number sentence. I want to know, is this number sentence true or false? Let's find out. Let's start with 40 minus 24, and let's use the chip model and vertical form just like we did for problem 1. Draw your place value chart and rewrite this problem in vertical form on your personal whiteboards now. Which one of these values is our whole value? 40 is our whole value here. So let's place our whole value onto our place value chart so that we can subtract. How many tens and ones are in 40? There are 4 tens and 0 ones. Let's look closely at our whole value by drawing our magnifying glass over 40. And let's check to make sure we have enough units in each place value before we subtract. Let's start with the ones place. Can I subtract 4 ones from 0 ones? I cannot subtract 4 ones from 0 ones. What should we do? Let's decompose a 10 into the ones place. Do that on your personal whiteboards now. How many tens do we have now? We had 4 tens, but after decomposing, now we have 3 tens. How many ones do we have now? We had 0 tens, but after we had 0 ones, but after decomposing, now we have 10 ones. Are we ready to subtract? We are ready to subtract. 10 ones minus 4 ones is 6 ones. Let's record that into our algorithm. 3 tens minus 2 tens is 1 10. Let's record that in the tens place as well. What's our answer? Our answer for our first problem is 16. Let's see what happens when we subtract 17 from 33. Go ahead and draw another place value chart and set up the second problem in vertical form as well. Go ahead and work on this one on your own, and then you can check your work with my work on my personal whiteboard. Let's pause for a moment. Did you know that the whole value was 33? If you did, you were correct. Let's put 33 on our place value charts. In 33, there are 3 tens and 3 ones. Does your place value chart look like mine? Great job. Let's continue. Go ahead and continue to work at your own pace on this problem. Let's check in. I want to look closely at our whole value. Did we have enough ones to subtract? Did we have enough tens to subtract? That's right. In our ones place, there are not enough ones to subtract 7 ones. Let's decompose. How many tens are there now? There are 2 10s. How many 1s are there now? Now there are 13 1s. Does our vertical form match our place value chart? It does. There are 2 10s in our 10s place now, and there are 13 1s in our 1s place. Are we ready to subtract? Let's do it. 13 1s minus 7 1s equals 6 1s. Let's record that in our 1s place. 2 10s minus 1 10 is 1 10. Let's record that in our 10s place. What's our answer? Our answer is 16. Is this statement true or false? Our number sentence is true. That's because 40 minus 24 equals 16, and 33 minus 17 also equals 16. Good job, everyone.